For PCI guidance, it is important to have both plaque morphology and coronary physiology. So currently you need to separate instrumentation, one using the OCT catheter and the other one using the FFR catheter. So it's time consuming and more expensive. So we developed new technology, as you say, it's the OCT-based FFR, or we call it OFR, to reduce two instrumentation into one. So using only one OCT imaging catheter, we developed the additional software to compute FFR from the OCT image. And then you can have the computed FFR also co-register with the OCT image in a single procedure. So that's the OFR technology. So for any new technology, it is very important to first do a validation to see whether the technology is reliable and reproducible. So actually we have done the validation of OFR in 3 different data sets. So one of them is going to present at the late breaking trail this afternoon. It's going to be also published simultaneously during the presentation in Euro Intervention. So this is a retrospective data set, and we have another also retrospective data set confirmed the result. And furthermore, we also recently confirmed the diagnostic accuracy of OFR in a prospective data set. So the endpoint is to validate the accuracy of OFR using FFR as the reference standard, and also to assess the reproducibility of OFR analysis in this data set. We got a very nice result. So in this retrospective data set, using FFR as the reference standard, we have a diagnostic accuracy of 90% for OFR. And in the prospective data set, we have a 92% diagnostic accuracy for OFR using FFR as the reference standard, sensitivity of 86% and specificity of 93% in respective data set. And also, the reproducibility is very good. If you analyze the same data from the same user at different time for 1 month later, then you get almost exactly the same number. And if you even do it with 2 different pullbacks, with different pullback speed, and the reproducibility is also good. So we think that the current result warrant here that the use of this technology to larger scale clinical study. So I mentioned the result before. So we, in this study, we shows that OFR has a high diagnostic accuracy, excellent reproducibility, and a very short analysis time. The average analysis time is less than 1 minute. Currently, the FR measurement takes much longer, maybe 7 or 8 and 9 minutes, and additional cost. So people want to really have integrate physiology, coronary physiology with imaging, and these two would be ideal. And so we saw that we believe that this would improve the integration of imaging and physiology during the PCI procedure. That's the main conclusion of this study.